All right. So what happens? I think somebody wanted to try out some things, right? Black will play this. Black will play b4. Then
Push the pawn.
push the pawn.
And then the king comes up.
Then already we said that the black king, the best chance is to try to not get into this. So what will white do? White will push his king up. And again he
And
gets.
then the pawn goes down. No, not that pawn, the black pawn.
Black pawn goes down.
And the white king goes up.
White king goes up, it's a draw.
Oh.
You have to push the white pawn. If white king goes up, then it's a draw. How? Because black gets his queen first. Then you move in. Black gets his queen first. And now you don't get a chance for a skewer. Because now black will start checking. Maybe from here. Right? Okay.
Oh.
You are going to win it, but because, see, the whole point was that you had to get the check. You had to get the ability to check to win. Otherwise, there is no skewer. And anyway, in this position, even if you were to check, even if white was to play, still there is no skewer, because even if white was to play and gave a queen to c8 check, now the king will come to d5 and will not come in front of his own queen. Right? So these are all.
This is an example of when white has a slight advantage at the start because he gets the first move, and
yeah.
And if black had the first move, then it would be a draw.
Black had the first move, it would be a. Let us look at it. So let us put the same position exactly. Right.
But if it's black to move, then the black king can go to d5.
So,
Sorry, d6.
Okay, so let us look at it very quickly. Let us look at it, this position. And I will just copy this and I will go to tools, board editor.
Wait, the king already moved. You can't.
Let's put it. Yeah, king is white king is not here. White king is here, and it is black to play. Okay, let us put it as black to play. All right. Okay, black to play. I don't want this engine. Sorry, don't want this engine. So black to play. What will happen? Let us look at it. What will black do? First, push the pawn. Right. White will. What will white do? White cannot push the pawn.
Push the king up.
Yeah. Then
push
black,
the pawn.
Push the pawn. Then black will
push the king.
Push the king. Instead of pushing the king.
Oh, it's gonna be a draw.
Black queens, then white queens, and it's a draw.
Will it be a draw? Will it be a draw?
Oh no, it won't.
It'll be a skewer for black. So
no skewer for black. No skewer for black.
Yeah. Then you promote.
Yeah, it will be a draw.
Yeah.
But there was an easier way you could have achieved a draw.
You could
now
have
2 queens are on the board and you might have a risk of losing it.
No. There is no risk of losing as long as you don't get into a thing. It is. See, what is the easier way?
Sir, white can get that.
You pawn. Run after the black pawn.
White can get a draw.
White cannot run after the black pawn easily. How can you? Okay, you want to play this? Then first you lose the pawn.
Oh yeah.
King c2.
King c2. Yeah, king c2 is a way of drawing.
And then king b1.
Huh?
King b2.
King b1 is a loss. King b1 is a
b1. I mean b2.
B1 is a loss.
King b2.
Can you see? King b1 is a loss because black has got the key square covered. Pawn is on 5th rank from black's perspective now, just 3 steps away. So key squares are only 1 row ahead, not 2 rows ahead. So you see how mistakes happen? You think you have to play king to b2 to get a draw. Okay, but yeah, there is a way of this is also a strategy. So black plays this. You can try to instead of this you are saying king to d3. But if king to d3, then Yeah, I cannot push the pawn. B3 I cannot push because then you will come to C3 and then the pawn is lost. So I have to take. Then you come here. Then the only best move that I have got is to come to C4. It's a draw. Yeah, it's a draw. So this is also a way of drawing. Yeah, good observation. Okay. Fine.
Yeah, but how is
It's
it a
at
draw?
least less. It's less chaotic than having 2 queens on the board.
But you have to calculate properly whether you are getting your opposition or not. See, what happens is with the 2 queens on the board, unless there is a skewer, it's easy. As long as there is no skewer here, this is actually I will find this much easier. But it's okay, up to you. Okay, because there is no skewer here. If there is no skewer, then there is no chance. No matter, even if you give a check like this and whatever happens, you will go near the queen. Once you go near the queen, there is no chance. Okay. So okay, but I think good interesting things we saw. So that this is the thing about end games. So I think it is very interesting. Please go through this again and please try to play for yourself so that you really internalize it. Okay, so you have to get 100% of what I have taught, and it's not just by watching it is not possible. You have to play through this against the computer, then only you will get it. Okay. All right. So I think that is that. I am going to stop the recording now.